Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how bread is made, step by step.
These precise machines blend every ingredient to create the perfect dough consistency. Every batch is refined and tested for quality.
Heat transforms simple dough into a light, airy loaf.
Every part works together to create flawless consistency.
Every loaf is checked for perfect texture.
Advanced technology ensures every loaf meets premium standards. Sealing keeps every loaf fresh from factory to table.
Every loaf is carefully checked before leaving the facility.
Smart systems catch even the smallest defects.
And that's how bread is made, from start to finish.
Behind every loaf is decades of baking expertise.
From our factory to your home.
Isn't this bread amazing?
It's the best you've ever made.
Can I have some more, Mommy?